guys, let's install Visual Studio Code. Search up Visual Studio Code on your web browser and you can see you get a Visual Studio download link. Click on the link, the first link that you see. After that, you got several options for Windows operating system, Mac OS and Linux. So I'm on Windows. I'm going to select Windows 64-bit user installer. After that, the download will start automatically. As you can see, after the completion, you can just open the setup. Yep, after the setup is done, click on open setup. Click I accept the agreement. You can choose to create a desktop icon as well. For now, just leave it. Install. Just wait till it extracts everything. After that, you can choose to launch Visual Studio Code. And here you go.